Looking for some place to visit this coming long weekend? Tara sa Bolinao, Pangasinan. Bolinao is a town on the west coast of Luzon Island in the northern Philippines. Bolinao is one of the hidden gems of North Luzon. Its beaches feature white sand, stunning rock formations, and various historical sites, making it the perfect weekend retreat spot for those who want to escape the city's noise. President Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr. has declared October 31, 2022 a special non-working holiday to give Filipinos more time with their families and to support local tourism. And last year, former President Rodrigo Duterte declaring November 1 as a special non-working holiday.